Everyone, so my pool has these stains you can see here. They're pretty obvious. I do a lot of shocking and it does nothing for these stains. In fact, you can see it's even on the walls around the entire pool. And it looks to be metal stains. So today I'm going to be beginning a couple-day process of getting those stains out. So this is going to be our primary tool here to remove those stains. Now if you look on the back, you want to make sure that your pool chemistry is right. So pH between 7.2 7.6, alkalinity between 80 and 120, calcium hardness 200 to 400, CYA below 50, and then your phosphate below 100. Okay, so that's in your step one. So I've already gotten my chemicals all right. The other thing, we'd come down here to step 3. We're gonna lower chlorine to 1 ppm or lower. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing to get that down is 2 things. One, I'm gonna be putting a little algicide in there. It's the middle of the summer, and if I have to keep my chlorine low, I want to prevent algae growth. So this will naturally pull my chlorine levels down in the pool. So I'm going to add that, let it sit for an hour or 2, and then check my chlorine levels. Next, I have this aftershock chlorine reducer. So this is just a reducer here, 2 ounces per 15,000 gallons. We'll lower it. So I'll just figure out how much I need to lower it with this, and that'll get me under 1. So basically the general premise of this is to sprinkle it around the pool and sprinkle it on your stains after you get your chlorine down. Once you do that, or you'll leave it on circulate for about an hour, your pool pump circulate, and then shut your pool pump off for 24 hours. And then we add something like this. This is a, I believe it's called a Sequester. And this will allow your pump to take the metal stains that this has loosened and brought to the water. It will bind to those metal particles. Your pump will catch it, and then you can expel it through a backwash. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and we'll come back. Also, one thing to point out, skip step 2, which is pretty important. You wanna add a Pulp-based Filter Aid if you're running a DE filter or a sand filter. I've already done that. I'm gonna include all of these links to these in the description for y'all in case y'all are looking to purchase. All right, so my chlorine's down under 1 ppm. I've switched this to the Recirculate setting. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this and we're gonna sprinkle it around the sides here, just a little bit, all the way around the pool. This is 1.75 pounds. So 1 pound is good for 10,000 gallons. My pool is about 23,000 gallons. So I got 2 of these. I'll use this one, which is good for 17,000, and then I'll use maybe a third of the other one. So as I said, I'll sprinkle this around the sides, and I'm going to sprinkle this too over this more stained area, and we're just going to let it kind of settle here. And really what this should do when it hits down here and sits for a little bit is it should loosen these stains up. So we'll sprinkle it in, we'll sprinkle it around the sides, let it sit on Recirculate for about an hour, and then we'll shut the pool pump off for 24 hours and we'll get back to work. All right, so you can see it got some of the stains out, but we still have a lot more than I wish we had. So it worked a little bit, but not the greatest. But I'm gonna stick with the plan. We're gonna be putting in our Sequester now. This is good. This bottle here is good for about 15,000 gallons. So I have 2 of them. I'll do 1.5 or so. And we're just gonna pour it along the edges of the outside, let the pump run for a minute. And then we're gonna vacuum everything up real good. And we'll see how it turns out. So after having that Sequester in and running the pump for a couple of hours, I went and I vacuumed everything really good. And then let it sit a little longer, and I've been getting the pH back up and slowly introducing more chlorine. This is about 2 days after that last clip, and it looks like, from what I can see, it's removed some of the stains even more. So the pool's looking a lot better. It's a little cloudy right now as I add my pH up and whatnot, but overall I'm pretty happy with how it's looking now. Definitely some stuff on the walls still, so I think that must be something else, or maybe I needed to do a heavier stain removal, but definitely what was on the steps looks significantly better. So that was my approach to the process. Now I'm going to be just slowly adding chlorine. It says don't shock it for over for a week after doing everything. So I'm slowly adding a little chlorine here and there. I got my tablets floating around. I ended up putting one in there as well. And I did put just a little bit of shock because I was sitting on 0 chlorine. So, but not enough to actually, you know, do a lot of damage. So slowly bringing up the chemicals and getting it back to the appropriate level. So hope this video helped y'all out. If it did, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thank y'all for watching.